For the best results, you're going to want to use soap and water to really clean the surface and get all the grime off of the surface of the cabinet. First, we're going to apply the wax to the buffing pad, and then you're going to place that on the cabinet. Use a little bit of pressure to really dig in deep to really clean the surface of the cabinet to get the best shine. If you do need to replace the stickers, please do so before you apply the wax to seal the sticker on the cabinet. Once you've applied the wax, you're going to use your microfiber cloth to wipe off any excess wax and to also really get the shine back into the cabinet. As you can see, the shine's already coming back. For any areas where the buffing pad is hard to get into, you can also just use the microfiber cloth to really dig into the areas, especially around the bottom of the cabinet, around where the windlatch is, and along where the handle is at. You're going to want to repeat this step all over the cabinet. For customers that have our non-gel cabinets where the fibers are showing through, the wax will help seal the fibers in on the cabinet. For best results, we recommend you use FiberChyne on our life ring cabinets, our fire extinguisher cabinets, and our fire hose cabinets once a year. Please keep in mind that for areas that the sun has really damaged the color of the cabinet, it might not bring the full color back, but it will definitely bring the shine back to the cabinet. For areas with excessive sun damage, you may apply the wax multiple times to get better results. When using FiberChyne, we recommend you don't apply the wax in direct sunlight, as it is wax and it may dry up while using it. As you can see, this video is being filmed directly under sunlight, which is why we are recommending you don't do it.